Alright, and it's been a little while since I've done one of these unboxings, I think. It's, in time, particularly because the video footage that I got in Germany, the audio in particular from the GoPro that I owned, was just not that good. So I decided to take a chance. There was a sale on Amazon for the DJI Osmo, and it just got in, so let's go ahead and kind of unbox it and see what's what. Hopefully the audio will be better as well. So let's get the camera into a better angle and get started. Alright, and here we are back with the Amazon box, and I have got a box cutter here. Let's go ahead and get right into it. And again, like I said before, because the GoPro was giving us some issues, I decided that I would go ahead and get something a little new. It was on sale at Amazon, and here is part of the sale. It came with a 32 gigabyte micro SD card, so there we are. And then here we go. The Osmo Pocket. Wow, this thing is tiny. There's not much in here. Okay, just move that aside. Let me check that out. That right there. And yeah, there's not much here. Let's go ahead and just get right into there. Yeah, that's far easier. There we go. Box. Get this trash out of the way. I think that's pretty much it. I mean, there's instruction manual stuff right there. And the box is pretty much empty. Other than that, there is a silica in there to keep everything dry, but I don't know if, I guess it does come out. So, nope, that's that. There's the silica gel and a sponge to keep things in place, and yeah, that's now empty. And so let's go ahead and pop this open. Simple bag opening, and oh, there's nothing else in there. Put that aside. And then does this just pop? Yep, just like that, and there we are. Pretty crazy. Alright, so I think it came out like that. This is facing in like that, I think. Okay, or not. Oh, okay, yeah, so there's some sort of thing, so you could probably charge it from this side. I would assume there's a USB on the bottom. There is. So if you put it in like that. So you can charge it. And yeah, there we go. That's pretty nifty. Huh. Have some instructions there. I'm using for the first time. I think you have to remove this and that. And then I don't know how this is gonna work. If I Oh, okay, so I was wondering how this would work, because I don't have an iPhone, I have a Android phone and a Google Pixel to be exact, and so yeah, that'll do just fine. And then so let's go ahead and see what else is here. This must be charging stuff. Okay, yeah, so here this is for USB-C, so you just slide that in and out, and then here is the USB-C. So this is the charging cable, and this is the little USB dongle, I guess you could call it, that you could plug into the side that I was just showing you right there. So that way this could hook up to your phone and you could use your phone as a monitor. But yeah, that's pretty awesome. And then so there is the USB-C one. Just throw this back in here real quick. And okay, a little wrist strap. So that put that away. And then here is the other USB, well, not USB, Thunderbolt, I think it's called, for Apple phones. So that way you could hook that up. There we go, USB-C, Thunderbolt, a wrist strap, charging cable. The documents that come with it are, let's see what this is. Warranty, quick guide, disclaimer, and safety guidelines. So yeah, oh, and then here, this is exactly what I was talking about when hooking up your phone to the DJI Osmo. This looks like it might be German, Korean, English is in here somewhere. Maybe it's the first one. Yep, starts on page 2. There you go. Activating the DJI Osmo. There you go. How to install the SD card right there. So yeah, cool beans. Everything looks good. Hopefully the audio on this guy is far better than the audio that's coming out of my the GoPro right now. That's the only thing that kind of worries me. Go ahead and get all the trash out. But yeah, this was on sale. All of it was actually less than $280, I think, was the sale for the whole kit. So I'm sure something new is about to come out, but this is good enough and super small, so we should be able to get around quite easily with it. I'll probably throw some sample footage of using this guy right at the end here. But other than that, yeah, that's pretty awesome. So, quite the deal. Alright, until the next video. Alright, I know that I already ended this video, but I figured that I would check out this DJI Osmo connected to my phone via the Mimo app, the DJI Mimo app, and give some test footage. During these times that we have to stay inside, it's kind of nice to be able to get out. My roommate needed to do some laundry at a nearby laundromat because he's a mechanic and gets pretty oily, so he didn't want to use our laundry machine. So why don't we take a quick walk over? I'm already more than halfway there, so yeah, let me turn around the camera here. And that's not the most definitive test, but yeah, it looks pretty good, so I mean, yeah, there you go. That was super smooth. I was quite impressed. But well, let me go from light or dark to light. Huh. Maybe grabbing a filter for this guy so that it's not so harsh. I mean, it is the harshest time of day for sun. It's like directly over me. But yeah, I think if I go stand in the shade, it's gonna get better again. Check the street. But yeah, this is super smooth. Anyhow, like I said, there it is. Pretty good look. Definitely gonna need to figure out how to angle this thing so that it's not cutting off my head. Anyhow, more later. Alright, and I'm out for my daily walk. I wanted to test out this new Osmo kit that I purchased on top of just the Osmo Pocket. Actually, we could go ahead and just do a quick unboxing of that kit right before I start this walk right here, right now. Alright, and here we are. We have the Osmo Pocket expansion kit that I purchased recently. And yeah, let's go ahead and crack it open. Hopefully this will make it easier to get into the actual, or use the actual device. Oh, okay, well, I guess that didn't work. Let's see. Peel this guy off. Get right into it. You can see right here. Alright, so we have the box, manual, and then we have, looks like a card. Yeah, Samsung card. That's crazy. With a 32 gigabyte micro SD card. A little control unit right there. So this will slide in where your phone connection typically goes. This is kind of what I was most interested in. It's a base unit for the actual Osmo Pocket. And then we have another thing I'm really interested in, a way to clip it into like a GoPro type mount so that you can mount it on certain things. I'm kind of wondering. Okay. So, pretty basic. But yeah, cool beans, everything looks good and is good to go. But I just had this little addition to the Osmo Pocket, so alright, back to the main review. And so as you see, it's not that much, it's just, what, 4 items, the SD card, the little kind of knob or handle that you attach to the Osmo Pocket itself, which I actually do have on right now, and I could show you kind of the vertical tilt and the horizontal tilt when I got to the top of this hill that I'm climbing. It's pretty smooth and it goes really fast or really slow depending on how you want to use it. Pretty great. And then obviously the little stand that's made for doing time lapses, which maybe I could find something to do a time lapse here in a moment. It's super windy out here. I don't know if you could actually hear me or not, but yeah. Anyhow, that was just a little bit of addition that I wanted to go to the unboxing of this Osmo Pocket. And yeah, until the next vid, see you then.